So I'm not in the car for a change. I'm actually in the garden getting a bit of sun. I can't go outside because there's a lockdown, so I'm sat in the back garden having a bit of sun, which is quite nice, and just taking 5 minutes out and thought I'll just do a video on the UK theory test and how it's going to affect you, because there's a lot of people who've had it cancelled, because if your test was booked up to the 20th of April, then it would have been cancelled at that point. And you'll get an email on it saying your test has been cancelled, here's a refund. And the refund the money. So if your money's not come through, chase it up. But you can't book it at the moment because they're saying the earliest is April the 20th. It might be longer than that. A lot will depend on how the virus clears up over the next 3 or 4 weeks. So if it's not clearing up, the theory test is going to get extended even further before you can rebook it. But what I would say is, when they do open up the dates to actually start rebooking, there's going to probably be a stampede of people who've had their theory test cancelled. So be prepared for when you do go online, there might be another month delay. So start thinking along them lines. The other thing also to think about is on April the 14th, it changes the theory. You know, the change in the case study. And I've done a video on it prior to this, so if you want to watch the video, by all means watch the video. And what's going to be happening is the case study and the theory is coming out of it, and they're going to replace it with a video case study where you've got questions on that video. So do practice it. And the other thing also is, if your theory test is coming up to expire and you're thinking I could have got my driving test in, that's been cancelled too, and the new test dates of the driving test are miles away, it's past my theory, then the chances are you're not going to be able to take your driving test. You're going to have to retake your theory first. So do bear that in mind. You know, if you think that they're going to kind of let it slip under the carpet and let you take your driving test, and I think you're going to get a surprise. You're going to get a phone call or an email saying to which for your test your theory is expired and you can't take your driving test. So be prepared for that. So start thinking about your theory while you're off now. Do things, start preparing for it. Okay. Good luck with the preparation for the theory. Good luck when they open the roads up. And do leave a comment of what sort of videos you want me to talk about at the moment, because I can't do much driving. Take care, safe driving when you're on the roads, that is.